You chose me before the world was known. You chose me to be His very own. He made me, then let me choose my way. I choose to move away.
He loved me when no man taken me. He loved me when I lost everything. He bought me. Redemption's work was done through Jesus Christ, His Son. Who shall separate me from the love of God?
Sad dreams of tomorrow,
Pain or sorrow,
can I live of food or earthly possessions? The thrift of what all makes so precious. In all these things, victory is our reward. Victory is our reward. Through Jesus Christ our Lord. Of this I am sure, that neither death, nor life, nor angels, nor principalities, nor powers, nor things present, nor things to come, nor wrath, nor death, nor any creation shall separate me from the love of God. Of this I am sure, that neither death, nor life, nor angels, nor principalities, nor powers, nor things present, nor things to come, nor wrath, nor death, nor any creation shall separate me from the love of God. Through Jesus Christ our Lord.